In the syllabus, no, it is much more than the file handling. That much file handling was required equally, but they have given the example programs, no. For that I liked it, and for that I was having the another type of conceptual understanding, so that I think this we have not given in their this TYL training program. For that reason, I like that topic for how much they have given this file handling concept. So it was just before your class of the third sem, data structure for your cities. Lecture 18. Yes. Is it visible? Isha?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Jayant,
No,
is it
sir.
not visible?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Just a minute. I have started now. Recording started. Presenting the screen. Now it will come. Sorry.
So now it's visible.
Now, fine. So
Yes,
that
sir.
reading and
Now
writing files again
it's fine.
continue today. Yes, reading and writing file again continued here. So one thing very nice here, that one is a shelf module. Shelf module, like it is the concept of the shelf almirah, the shelf almirah, the what you say, that this something you are keeping that particular files and folders, that no, but that module having the 2-3 nice built-in functions. So what you are typing, that can be written to a file, and that can be saved with the another extension name also, and that can be used as your database file. So that was very nice. And this thing we have already learned, this PractiPrint format, PractiPrint. So at the time of this clipboard copy, how to print it, and what in the textbook one, they have suggested the 2 mini projects, and they have given the solution there also. I have just mentioned in the taking the 2 slides. So this mini project suggested by that, how to create one quiz file. I don't know that any of you have taken this mini project. I could expect, if you are ready to, if you are ready to change your mini project, I can recommend you, so that they are doing to develop one quiz file in Python. So that will be treated for the 5th semester as a mini project, but not for 18 hours. It may be for the 6 hours, 6 main days. And if you are taking both 2, then 12 hours. And lastly, I have taken that one question given in the notes of the solution, and they are calling it, I was knowing that they are calling it Madlib's program. So in a particular sentence or a structure, some noun, verb, adjectives and adverbs are mentioned there. So it will be asking interactively with the user, insert the noun and verb and adjective and adverb if you have, and that will be replaced by that. So that program I have written, and that will be the last slide. So here on that day I have told that default opening mode is R. If you are writing the R in single or double quote, that is the read, and you have already learnt in this C also, I think, or extra P2C class also. So RWA, and here it is no confusion for this R plus or W plus or A plus. So if you are opening a file, just you are opening a file, myfile1.txt, and you are giving the option, I am opening with the file with the right permission. So one thing to keep in mind, if the file is existing, the contents of file will be overwritten. Hello. If the file is existing file, the contents of, if the file containing thousands of line, those thousands of line will be replaced by what you are going to write. And directly I'm writing myfile.write list of 5-bit toppers. And what you have written in your file, it is counting the space character. So it will be the quiz question of this your IAT2 also, and the class quiz also. So what is the return value of this dot write function method? And here myfile.close, okay, closes the file. And again you can open the file because you have already inserted, written this particular line. So again, you are opening the file in append mode. So it will be appending in the next line, because take care here that I have given here \n. So writing, you will not be stopping there, just come to the next line. So again, next line you write that USN name and marks and come to the next line again. So again, I am writing 2 lines, USN name and marks, and writing some USN and name and marks. 1 CR18 IS 029 Urvashi 95. I don't know these students are there or not, but just because I have developed, so I have written in my way. And my file dot close, and again you are opening the file and you want to read the contents of file. So one is my file dot read, so it will be displaying in that way only, giving the \n, not in the good format. If you are copying in the content, that content, opening the file and copying the all the contents of file, one string variable content, so it will not have to display the \n, so it will be displaying the contents in the next. So list of 5-bit toppers, USN name, marks, and this way it has displayed. So that is written here, pass W as the second argument to open the file in write mode. Append mode, on the other hand, will append text to the end of the existing file, and pass A as the second argument to open the file in the append mode. Should I move to the next slide?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So now this is important here, what I have impressed, because it might not have touched in earlier training program, but in the textbook and the syllabus, they have given this one. The shelf module. You can save variables in your Python programs to binary shelf files. Remember, these are the binary shelf files. So it will not be displayed like your text file or ASCII file, using the shelf module. So this way, your program can restore data to variables from the hard drive. The shelf module will let you add, save, and open features to your programs. For example, if you run a program and entered some configuration setting, you could save those settings to a shelf file and then have the program load the next time, and it is to run. So import shelf SHELV. Okay, that module is there. And now you are just opening. If the file is not there, you are creating my data. Here to take care that opening this file my data, automatically 3 files will be created in Windows. In OX, it is created only mydata.db, but in Python for Windows, it will be creating 3 files. One file mydata.dat, one file mydata.bak back file, and one file mydata.dir. So these 3 files will be opened. Now you are taking some variable, a list, and now what you are writing here, shell file cats equal to cats. So means in shell file something like cats word will be written, and for that cats, these 3 value will be added, because this cat is a list variable. The cats, I am talking like that, it is a plural, but the variable name is cat, so I will have to use is. This cats is list of cats. Okay, so shelf file, your cats. So in which way it will be writing in the file? So cats will be some word like dictionary, and then these 3 cats name will be added in the file, and just closing. Here it is explained. After running the previous code on Windows, you will see 3 new files in the current working directory: mydata.bak, mydata.dat, and mydata.dr created. And why I am not listening anything and not leaving anything of the text file? So this may be the question of the university. When the examiners are setting the question, because everybody is doing Python, so what question to be given for as the university question? For that reason I have taken. And if you are using the OS X, it is not given here Linux. I have not checked on Linux. In Linux, you can check whether it is creating only mydata.db or it is creating 3 files like Windows. I have not checked, but in book it is written. In OS X, it is only 1 file that will be created. And now I have just converted in the red color. The binary files contain the data you stored in yourself. The format of this binary file is not important. Sir, it is important for me. I want to understand actually what is binary file. In first year or second year, my students here in the 3rd sem, I have responded sometimes question, what do you mean by binary file, and in which way binary file can be explained? So my first answer is, Actually, the binary file is written in the computer disk like it is written in the computer's memory. Sir, I am not getting what you are telling. Computer memory is a linear data structure. So all the characters of the file will be written like that. Then also I am not getting. Even you have changed the line in your file, text file, it is going to appear in the next line. But in linear memory data structure, you have seen that in which way it was displaying. It was displaying \n. So better to say that the punctuation marks will not be there. For example, another example I was giving, suppose you have written 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like that 6-digit number or 5-digit number. So for that memory, it will be requiring 2 bytes if the size of integer is of 2 bytes. If size of integer is of 4 bytes, it will be requiring 4 bytes. But if you have written the 5 bytes integer, so in file, it will be requiring actual 5 bytes what you are writing. So that is the internal difference. But here it is, book is suggesting the format of this binary file is not important to you. Only need to know that what this self module does and now how it is doing. Module frees you from worrying about how to store your programs data to a file. So your programs can use self module. So one question is here, how if you have created a binary file, how you can see the contents of that binary file. So again, you will have to use that music. In which way we have used, if you remember in the file handling, the C, so that one built-in methods were there, write and read. So write and read were used to write to create a binary file and read to read a binary file. By in general, we were not while end of file print single character taking by the f get c of the file handling. So better to use here the in that way only. So self dot open my data and type, you are finding that what is the actually the type of this file. So db file name self, the class is self.db file name self. And now you are asking in self file what is stored for cats, this one. So internally I understood in that way. So actually it has created some dictionary. For that the key value is cats and their values are in a list, Jofi, Puka and Simon, in which way the author has suggested. So that example I have given, in which way one slide only they have given the shelf module to create the binary file, to display the contents of binary file. Internal structure from my side, it is stored as that some key value I have given, and this variables value, what is that, those value list, the list value will be stored for that cat's key. So when you are asking what are those cats value, because I have tried this one, executing directly what are the contents of this file, opening the file if they have created. So which file I have opened, this my data.dat. So it was not ASCII file, so you can display like text. Okay, so backup file I have opened. So it is created in that way that how many rows are there and how many number of characters are there, that only displayed. So I couldn't display then in which way it is written cats, and for cats Jofi, Puka and Simon. So this way if I am opening, then it is showing. I will go to the next slide now.
Yes, sir.
Just to show that execution, you can show here that I can show the execution also, because it is on command prompt only. It will not take more than 2 minutes. I am so just copying from here and pasting there. So self file, one variable that is opening the my data. Fine. Now one list cats. Cats, this name you want to give, the cats equal to what? Okay, let it be this name or that name. I will take the other name. I have told that I will take the 2 minutes to see the execution. You can check execution with me also. And closing this one, shell file.close. Okay, closed, then what to do? So if I have tried this, my data is here. So I am opening here, file open, my data. So it is showing here my data.back, my data.dat, my data.dir. So what is written in back? Just open. I want to see that. So it is written cats and comma 045. So what is this written? This may be that first line and 45 characters like that, or anyway, I am not getting, because it is not, that is not important for as the other author is suggesting. But if it is a binary file, so what is written, if you want to see some contents of other file, so that is really eligible. My data, that it will not open correctly, I think. Here it is telling no, this file encoding is invalid for Python 3x. Okay then. So I'm closing this one and again open my data dir. What is this one? So it is showing the same value. Okay. Now how to read the contents of this file? So again opening that file. If you want to check that type. If you want to see type of this shelf file, it is showing this way. And now how to see that, what is the value stored for cats? So it is showing Jofi, Puka and Simon. So execution I have already checked. I am satisfied with that. Now next, reading and writing files, again the saving variables with the pprint p format. Print, you remember that print I have already told, and keep it that the university will be asking this question for the note. Write a note on the print pprint function, the contents of a list or directory on the screen, while the pprint p format function will return the same text as a string instead of printing it. So it is returning the same text as a string and it is printing the contents on the screen. So not only in this string formatted to be easy to read, but it is also syntactically correct Python code. So if you have a dictionary stored in a variable and you want to save this variable and its contents for the future use, so using pprint p format will give you a string that you can write to .py file, and this file will be your very own module that you can import whenever you want to use the variable stored in it. I have given here that like dictionary, in which way I have understood the previous slide. Going to the next topic. So name Jofi desk Cubin name, this one, and now pprint p format cats, so that you are storing that particular, returning that in a string. And finally file obi, open this file in write mode, and cats plus this value you are adding there. So it is showing the output when you are doing the write, how many characters have been written, including the blank spaces. And then you want to print what is this fi. Fi somewhere else, fi. I will have to open that again. What is fi? Organizing files, reading and writing files. In the reading and writing files, self, yes, p format. File object dot close, not fi. It was file object dot close. Okay. Because it is a text file, the contents of the file can be read and modified by anyone with a simple text editor. That now here it has come, that two words here it has come. And it is given here. The question and solution also is available on the book. You will be telling me either my own faculty profile or in the Google Classroom, the complete soft copy of textbook is uploaded or not. Have you checked it? Complete textbook 1 is uploaded or not on my faculty profile or in the Google Classroom. Suppose you have not taken the book from the library, so it is already uploaded. If it is not, text me, sir, upload the text file also. So it is given here how to create a quiz file, 35 question, 50 multiple question, like that. And answer is also given in the book and the step-by-step solution. This is the another minor project they have suggested. So how to create that, the multi-clipboard file, the question, problem, definition, it is given. And how to do that program course, it is also suggested. Solution is also given. The last one, famous program and guess for the university question. What question they have given but not the solution. Create a Madlibs program that reads in text files and lets the user add their own text anywhere the word adjective, noun, adverb or verb appears in the text file. So that particular word adjective will be replaced by this word. Noun is written in somewhere file, so that will be replaced by this word. So it is called the Madlibs. An adverb like verb. So appears in the text file. For example, a text file may look like that. The adjective panda walked to the noun and the verb, and then verb, a nearby noun was unaffected by these events. So the program will be asking, enter an adjective. I have written silly. Enter a noun, chandelier. As book was asking, because it was given in the book but not the solution. Enter a verb, screamed. Enter a noun, pick up truck. So I have written the program. The output will be in front of the noun. Silly panda walked to the chandelier and then screamed. A nearby pickup truck. Nearby pickup truck was unaffected by these events. So that was the last content of the today. So it is the times here. So now you are making the snap of this question, dividing your roll number by 5, last 3 digit, your USN by 5, and 0 is the remainder. You are taking this question. If 1 is the remainder, 2 is remainder, 3 is remainder, 4. In first line, you are writing your USN. In second line beginning, you are writing the question number and writing the answer wrong or right, but writing. Okay. The writing will have the recording. You have participated in the class. This class activity, we have seen that many of a student, not few, that may be joining the class, and what I am telling, that is also being recorded. Just for to maintain the decorum, they joined the class and they are doing some other things. For that reason, whether they are participating in class or not, for that we have taken this one. I have taken personally this one first, in which way to know that what happens if an existing file is opened in write mode. Sir, it will overwrite the contents of existing file. What is the difference between read and read lines? Sir, read lines, I have seen that. It reads the line by line, one by one, automatically incrementing the file pointer to the next line, and read whole contents and crossing the contents, crossing the end of file also. What data structure does a self value resemble? So yes, it is used to create a binary file. Here, which part of the directory name and which part is the base name? Sir, from here to here, sorry. From here to here, eggs looks like directory name, and spam.txt is the base name of the file. I have given here, divide 3 last digits of your USN by 5. Remainder is your question number. Write your USN first, and in next line write the question number and the answer. For your glance, I have given, and now I will come to the back to the classroom. You will be writing your answer. What the names are there, that is already recorded as attendance. If I will have to call someone, I will be calling them name. Reading the name and calling the name, you are understanding the difference. I will be concluding at here. 53 students already joined. So I will be taking the list of students of the 5th semester. And if anyone is seeing that, sir, my assignment is missing there, you have not written a yasha, yashas or yasha. Yasas or Yesa, have you submitted your assignment or not? Fine. So Aditya is there. G. Raghu, Babu, Ganesh, Shastri, Gangova, Patil, Gauri, Moghe, Girish, SD, Guddu, Kumar, Hardik. Again, check the okay. I'm proud of you. Hardik, Harsdiman, Harsdut. Okay. Hila Sasi. Hila Sasi. Hila Sasi is absent. Please. 73. Hrishikesh is also absent. 74. इंद्रजा, ईशा मालनी, रिश्ता चट्टोपाध्याय, ईशा श्रीवास्तव, जयंत कुमार, विष्णुवर्धन रेड्डी. Vishnuvardan Reddy, I don't know, in this semester by luck also he will be promoted. Abhishek, Sai Nikita. Sai Nikita is there. Abhishek, K. Abhishek. Their roll number may be up. Okay. Kiran B. Sajjan, Khagendra, Kiran B. Sajjan, Kirti. Now, Kausiki Kamana, Kausiki Kamana. Kausiki is not there. Now, Sampath Sai, Kubham Shreya, Kumud Sally, Kritika is there, Manisha Manikandan, Manpreet. First time became the absent. Manu Smriti, Meera Krishna. Meera Krishna again, she is also not there. I think I have, no, Meera Krishna is there. Meera Krishna, then who is not there? Mehul Sakaria is not there. I know that. Merin Jacob, Aman Khan, Wasim, Monica K, alphabetically okay. Monisha L, Monisha, fine. Jigar Jitesh Bhai, Nagmohan Reddy, Nimitesh Sharma, not there. 106. Ajan Serani, not there. Onkar Patra, Nikita, Nissan, Nirasanjan, Nitin N, Nitin Suraj, Nitish Hegde, Onkar Patra, Niranjan Reddy, Padmaja is there, Srika Reddy. P. Srika Reddy, 119 not there. Pragya Pandey is there, good. She is regular. Prakash Kuikel, Prapti, Preeti Khetan, Preshila. I was calling her Preetika or Preshila. Preshila only. Preetika in third sem. Ramya D. Vani, Vidya, Yashas. Yashas, you are listening me? So I think it is visible transparently to all of you, which have submitted, not submitted the quiz one or what. If later you have submitted, just you text me, sir, I have submitted the quiz also, this also, like that. And IIT, no problem, but here few students quiz. So it is 11:56. Allow me, Isha, just to stop the recording. First stopping the sharing here. Ramya, do you please respond, Ramya?
Yes, sir.
Submitted the assignments?
Yes, sir, I submitted.
Okay, fine. Just a minute. Quiz submitted, Ramya, quiz?
I submitted the quiz, sir.
Class quiz also. Check that once again. Okay. Fine, I will mark it. Okay, fine. Now I am stopping the recording. And do something in the class. I am just officially quitting now only because I have to attend a meeting.